What's up, mother chuckas? I'm gonna make my favorite soup. I'm gonna put a bunch of accoutrements inside just because we're gonna have a snow day today in New York City and I am coming prepared. I wanna have soup. I wanna have my hot cocoa for later and just like sit by my tree, watch my favorite movies and just enjoy the day. So come with me, let's go. Okay, so I have wood ear mushroom. I know it sounds unpleasant, but I have it soaked. I have it soaked. I have to show you. Come on, like, what? Oh, I'm so excited. You don't understand this kind of texture that I love. And then I'm gonna put it in the soup. I have that going. I'm gonna get all my greens. Ooh, wait, pause. Can we talk about hair length check? Hair length check. Oh, child. By the way, these are the noodles I'm gonna be using. I just wanted to say, make sure you wash your damn vegetables because you never know all these things or people have been touching and you pick it up and you don't wash it. That's nasty. But ginger is key in this soup. You need to put ginger because it's gonna like take out mucus and stuff. Let's just flake these out first. First of all, obsessed. Hair growth, bitch, hair growth, bitch. What? Okay. See? This is why we have to wash everything. Because this little marachoka was in here. Personally, I save these rubber bands. I don't be throwing them out because just in case. My tattoo. Ow. Right on it. Oh, I have to put aquifer on it. But I save these just because you never know, like sometimes I could be out of hair ties. And then I use this. I'm gonna prepare all of my veggies. I'm dreaming of a white Christmas. It's so funny how carrots, when they grow, they have different shapes. Like this one time, I saw this carrot that was like hugging another carrot and they didn't want to be separated. It doesn't have to be perfect. So I want to cut this in a diagonal. Perfect. I learned a trick. Get a spoon. You don't want to peel out a lot of the ginger. Let me wash it first. Make it softer. So just like, look, peel. So let's use this amount. This is good. It's good to taste it. Look, oh my god, look. This is why it's called wood ear, because it has a shape of like a ear, but it's mad good. Like honestly, we're gonna start. Let's go. First, just like a little thing. Maybe I should turn on the stove first. Wrong burner. I cook every day. Okay. Get that butter going. I'm just gonna ring around the rosy this. Okay. Get your noodles. Put that in. Take all the little packets out. Let's put agua. That should be perfect. Throw the ginger in. Honestly, I'm just winging it. Sometimes I don't know. I don't know the orders. I just be putting in every pitch on me. Let's get all the bok choy. I'm just gonna use this amount. And when you wash it, if you want to eat this, but like make sure you get all inside and just like scrub it out because you don't want any dirt or anything to be part of it. So just gonna throw that in. Oh, it's looking beautiful. And for seasoning, we're just gonna use what they gave us and we're gonna add a little bit more. Let's put some garlic powder. Definitely. maybe a touch of soy sauce, just because this already has sodium. That's fine. This is gonna be spicy. I'm not gonna cut it just because I know it's spicy, so I'm just gonna throw 2 peppers. Stir it up, little darling, stir it up. Come on, baby. Great, beautiful colors. Let's pop a lid and put it up a little bit, tiny bit. That's it. Now we wait. We wait. That's all I'll be doing. It smells so good. Wow. I'm gonna turn that down a little, and let's just put the scallions, green onions. Wow. Yes, it's done. It's ready to the shelf. So let's. Wow, that was incredible. I left a little bit back, just because I know I'm gonna eat it. Let's go eat. Wow, this looks amazing. I'm so excited. Oh my god. Let's go. This is like something I would order at a restaurant. First, let me drink water. Actually, make sure the carrot is good. A1. This. Hold on, no noodles yet. This Whittier. You hear that? Mmm. Oh, the ginger, yes. Hold on, I have to give a shout out to Felice. She's the one who put me on to almost all of these. And after that, it's like, yo, game changer. This is my favorite part. You guys. It's such a great combination. You have like the tanginess of the kimchi mixed with the spiciness of the soup and the crunchiness of the mushrooms and the bok choy. The carrots are perfect. Honestly, if I can eat this every day, I would. But sometimes, I get lazy. I don't want to be cooking. But when I do, I'd be going all out. I treat myself. Also, slurping is normal when you eat soup. Karen. Sometimes I get sad. I'm like, it's almost done. This is so good. I don't think you heard me. Let me just do this again. Hold on. What good food. See, you could take like a simple ramen pack and just make your own, like make up your shit. And just make it more enjoyable to eat. I definitely miss going to like Korean barbecues and hot pots. Wow, you guys, that was amazing. Try it out. Let me know what you think. And if you enjoy this video, like honestly, this shit helps if you like and hit subscribe and stuff, because like, you know what I'm saying? See you again. Bye.